What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in for another video. Right now it is the night before the El Capitan tournament for the ABA. We were going to fish Piru, but due to high winds and the weather, it just wasn't going to be good for kayaks. 20 to 30 mile an hour winds is never fun for a kayak, not even fun for a bass boat really. So ABA decided to switch it to El Capitan. The weather isn't as bad and there's areas to hide there. So tomorrow we are going to El Cap. Didn't get to pre-fish, but this is my third or fourth time there. From what I'm hearing, there's a shad spawn going on. So tomorrow I'm gonna be throwing the A-rig, chatterbait, spinnerbait, crankbait, anything to imitate a shad. I feel like something reaction is gonna really do well tomorrow. And then I might step off a little deeper and throw some finesse stuff and some jigs out in some rock piles. But I'm really just gonna fish today and fish as hard as I can, because we need to win one of these things. We need to get that W under our belt, get it out of the way, and head into Texas with like some extreme confidence. So I am just feeling good tonight. I got all my stuff rigged up. Gonna be throwing a variety of different baits and just fish the day. Excited, a bunch of my friends are gonna be there. The ABA is always a good time. There's 34 guys signed up and we are just gonna have a good time. So right now I'm gonna go to sleep and I will see you guys around 2:30 in the morning to get up, head down there, get in line, and then get out on the water. I can't wait. Thank you guys for joining. And let's go rip our thumbs up. All right, guys, we are here at the lake. I'm with my boy Brad, one of my best friends, and partner in crime, you could say. Today we're at El Capitan for the ABA tournament. It's like 4:30 in the morning, and hopefully
it's
today,
5 a.m. by the way, but
hopefully today me and Brad can take a top 5.
That'd be awesome.
I'm gonna say top 5. So actually today is Brad's first time ever using the Garmin live scope. He got the 10 SV, right?
106 SV.
106 SV, yeah. And he's probably gonna be able to see the fish, his gills like breathing. So what do you think, Brad?
Hopefully I snag them, because I'm not sure I'll catch them, but I have no idea.
Maybe
but
he'll be like,
I'll know where they are.
Maybe he'll be like Anthony and throw the jerkbait on them.
Maybe.
We'll find out. Anthony and Alex are up at Clear Lake because they were too scared to fish against us right here, calling you guys out. So no, but anyways, guys, we're excited to be here. There's 34 guys signed up. Just a little over 1,000 for first, and big fish is around 340 bucks. Hopefully today we're just gonna have a good time out on the water, because we were talking on the way up here. It's you know, we struggle on the weekly grind at work, waking up, but when it's Friday night and we're talking about what time to leave, we wake up at 2, eyes wide open, no problem. Yep. So for all you fishing freaks out there, I know you guys can relate to that. Anyways, guys, it looks like they're about to open up the gate. We're gonna head in and I'll see you guys out on the water.
Late.
All right, John.
What up?
We're out here on the water now. John DeMonet, TD. How you feeling today?
I'm feeling pretty good.
Yeah?
Fish are boiling everywhere. Hopefully
Yeah?
we can get some bites.
Sounds good, dude. We got how many anglers? 34?
34 today.
A little over 1,000 for first.
Yep.
Let's do it. What's up, Mark? All right, guys, we are out on the water, heading to our first spot, pretty close to the launch ramp. Lines in 20 minutes. Just hoping for a good day on the water. Let's just have one of those days where just everything works out. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Looking forward to a great day. Let's get it. Come on. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Come here. Come here. Yes. Boom. Boom. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. Shad in the mouth. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Let's go. 17 1/4 first fish. You can freaking see the shad in there. You see that shad in there? Let's go. Get up here. Get up here. Get up. Get up in. Look at that hook set right there. Not a bad one. Alright guys, that gives us 2 fish. It is currently 8 o'clock. Looking good for the day. Gotta get that big fish. We need that one 20-inch fish. I really don't want to leave fish right now. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit longer. Kind of see where the day takes us, but there's a lot of fish right here. I just keep getting bit, so got it going on the square bill. Might bring that out in a second. But just one of those things, you just gotta constantly make good decisions. See if we can keep putting it together. Stay. Get up here. Let's go. All right, guys, 15. Let's keep getting them. 14 and a half. All right, guys, one more fish. We'll get our limit. And then, I don't know what I'm gonna do, dude. I'm just gonna keep catching fish. Play the numbers game right here for a little bit. $14 and a half limit. I got 6.5 hours to call. Great start. Great start. Hopefully we can catch some callfish on this square bill right here. Excite XV1. Come on. How is it? No, how's that?
Okay, I mean, I'm learning.
I want to see.
Huh?
Come here.
You come over here. Come over this side. The last one I caught, I saw the fish swimming. I threw it right on top of him in 1 foot of water.
And you caught it?
Yeah.
Shut up.
On Jackson.
On Jackson.
See?
Oh my gosh.
So you can just, I went like I was moving, and all of a sudden I saw, whoa.
What?
I'll tell you what's a big rub, dude. This is such a sensitive rod, this Loomis. The wind blows. I feel like I'm getting hit.
No way.
I swear to God, like 3 times. What a great big fish.
Dude, Brad. Oh! Shut up. What the fuck? Oh, dude.
Don't lose that.
Please don't.
Bradley. Oh, whoa. Oh, now it's going to be Brad can't fish.
Oh my gosh. Don't get it in your motor, dude. I'm gonna get this net job.
You see that fish thing?
Yeah, I see it. I'm getting away. That's a 20. That's a 20 for sure. Dude. Dude, please get it in the net.
It's in his mouth.
Stay. Come here. Come here. Yes. $18.25, guys. Freaking good fish, man. Put the release on this one. Let's get another one of these. It could be interesting. Double check the photo. Could be interesting. Well, let's see if we can't catch one more biggin. I mean, we need a lot of biggins, but see if we can get like a 22. Ooh, 22 would make things really interesting. Okay, well, it's 2 o'clock, coming down to the last hour. It's been a good day. Bite kind of shut off for me for this whole afternoon. Caught that one little fish on a spinnerbait, but we're gonna head up towards the launch ramp and see if we can catch one more. I need one more over 17. That's what I need. That is what I need. Anyways, guys, it's been a blast. Stoked to see where I end up. At least we caught a limit. Going in with a limit. And that's all you can ask for. Stay tuned. All right, guys, well, it is 3 o'clock, line's out. Man, I feel pretty good about today. You know, I didn't get to practice and we just come out here and throw what we're confident in with the Nico rig and the crankbait. And I don't know, I got somewhere around 80 inches, I'm not really sure, but still a fun day. Always good to be out here with the ABA Kayak Series, and I will see you guys at the award ceremony. Hopefully we take top 10. That's our goal, top 10. And again, this is why I love the XI3 motor guide so much. Right now, after fishing all day, I'd say it's probably about 15, 20 mile an hour winds, and we are just cruising at about 4 miles an hour, heading into the wind. So you'd have to be paddling extremely hard to be doing this, and we're just hanging out.
Hey guys, Johnny Monet. Ended up taking the win today and big fish honors. Caught all my fish throwing a jig off of a rock pile. Caught all of them basically on the same area. Ended up catching like 13 fish today.
All right, guys. Well, one of us achieved our goal today by taking 6th place. 7th place. Oh yeah.
One spot out of the money. Thank you.
What did you catch today? 80 what?
86.25.
And how many fish?
17.
And tell the folks watching the video how you caught them.
I caught them with these 2 hands. I caught them on a Ned rig with a robo worm. 15 of them, I think, is what. And I caught 2 on a Tokyo rig with the same robo worm.
Yeah, as you guys saw, like I caught all my fish early and then just couldn't get bit in the afternoon. I just kind of got complacent, I guess you could say. Like I just kind of like started doing things that I probably shouldn't have, but that's all part of the learning experience. Every day out in the water, you just keep learning and keep adding things to your toolbox, and just keeping that positive mindset is very key. So thank you guys for watching. I'm just gonna go ahead and close it out right here with my buddy Brad. Really appreciate you guys' support. Texas coming up in the next few weeks. It's gonna be really fun. Excited about all the content that's gonna be coming to the page because of that trip. And yeah, so again, thank you guys for watching. As always, keep your thumbs ripped, and I'll see you guys on the next one.